Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Toxic Gazer from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eye with the sideways oval. And now let's move inside and draw a circle in the middle. And now let's color it in black. And that's it for the eye. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. Then from both sides, let's curve it down next to the eye. Next, let's draw the mouths coming out from the head. From the left side, let's draw a wavy line down. And the same thing underneath. Next, underneath, let's leave a gap and let's draw a sideways oval. And then from the lines we drew earlier, let's draw a border all the way around. Next, let's hop inside the oval and draw the teeth. Let's draw a curve across the top, and then the same thing at the bottom. Now let's draw vertical lines in the top and bottom sections for the teeth. And then let's color the middle section in black. And that's it for the left mouth. Next, let's move over and draw the right one. From the right side of the head, let's draw a curve out like this. And then another one underneath. Now from the top line, let's curve it up and out. Then let's draw a long C-shaped curve. And then one more curve underneath to close it off. Next, inside, let's add the teeth. From the top, let's draw a line out and then curve it down. And then add some straight lines inside. Next, let's add one more curve. And then color this section in black. And that's it for the mouths. Next, let's hop back inside and draw the rest of the head. From the bottom lines, let's angle it in and then down. And then at the bottom, let's add a curve on both sides. Next, let's add the arms. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve up, bringing it down and out. And then one more curve, forming a U shape. And now let's do the same on the right. Now underneath, let's follow that same curve down, over, and up, but we're going to keep going like this. And the same on the right. And then one more curve at the ends for the hands. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's move back inside and draw the body. Let's start with 2 lines down for the sides. And then a curve down on both sides for the legs. Now let's move inside and let's draw a curve at the top here. Then let's curve it down on the left and on the right. And this line should be a little bit lower than the outside line. Now for the outside line, let's curve it down for the top of the foot. And then one more curve at the bottom to close off each foot. And that's it for Toxic Gazer. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!